I-pressure buyifakwa.
Inkinga yalo kuya kusilosi kwaba neditori thing kasi umbona phula minyaka.
Yeah.
Understand and like so
Yeah.
what I know this thing can be possible. You understand? Yeah.
But now ke sekubonakala ukuthi but inkinga wona my brother akusikuqala azama ukuthi ibulala lo shiro.
Basho njalo.
You understand? And naleli leyo ikuyaphuma before ashona boyithu bashona. You understand?
Marine le pora ukuthi even na ile hotel why be so le ifihla le malona for statistics so.
No, I don't think bafish isikhathi leside. I think information bayinika amaphoyisa.
So why it took
It's
so
just ukuthi akusulula ukuthi uthathe private information uyinike ma journalist.
I think bebafuna uyimokola lento.
Befuna mokola ngobani?
Befuna uyimokola into yakho.
Befuna mokola ngobani?
Labanye bafuna uyimokola. Ambona lo baba that's why umbona baba.
No,
that's
that's what I mean on my brother ukuthi I think because ibathi lento le ihotela ayina right yokuthatha such a sensitive video ikhombe
even ama phone calls
exactly
ama phone calls ukuthi AK ufonile vela asho ukuthi ngathi
ayina right nokuna ngalo you understand because these are private things you understand but maphoyisa ani right and maphoyisa ana wonke lama records njengokuthi wona bucama befuna ukuyimokola I think bafuna ukuyimokola ngale isiphoyiseni kuhle tinto dingaziphume ngala because bani kufanele basigayele information le ngilama police you understand asho ukuthi to information leso but shout out to News 24 ukuthi kholile kuye hotela tinto taphuma you understand tinto tiphumile hey umfana sofelelide
because it's not so fair
it has been alleged my brother ukuthi umfana ngululu
abalendo matana yabona naloko kube allegedly vele
yabona but akusima facts
they are not facts
it's just alleged mara asekuhluma kusoma sana
ayisho my brother
but batu ngicabanga naye
lokwendekile sekwendekile
solile ngithula
even nale family yakhe mjamiyana seyithunja nya yalo sefuna bayigijimise nyalo ngale indlela phela because bafuna bacheck ukuthi ngibani babulale AKA chambe kubonke labantu bathenga ngibani nako konke
bakile bazama ukushaya my brother babala ngathi what brothers
ngicaba brothers
abasefisi 10 nanani
bathulile nabo lamalanga aseva lutho ngabo
bahlelile tindabo bahlelile tinto babekeza idini bathola bazidu understand
inkela uthi uklinile into devumbuke
angihlabe kude ngavuma
na Ramaphosa bekathi uklinile kanje isikhathi icala lipharaphala
bamhlela kude bukhani mahlala bebathi baklinile
bani why manje uzosaba testify
basoshintshe imqondo asasho bamsembise